Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will do the remaining parts of this paper 3. This is paper 3 of October-November 2020. In the first video we covered question 1 to 5. So in this video we will do the remaining questions. So let's start. So question number 6, write 60025 in words. Now you can see we need to see the digits place here. This is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is 60,000, 60,000 and 25. Okay, now part B, write 849.481 to 1 decimal place. So this is 849.481. We need 1 decimal place, so we can put slash here. Then you see this number is more than 5, so we are going to add 1 here. So our final answer will be it is 849.5. Part C, write down all factors of 21. So factors of 21 can be written as like 1 times 21 gives you 21, 2 times no, 3 times 7 gives you 21. I don't see any other factor here, so we have here 1, 3, 7 and 21. So start from here. So these are the factors of 21. Now a prime number between 40 and 50. So between 40 and 50 we have numbers, even number cannot be prime number. So 41, 43, 45, 47 and 49. So now see, this is divisible by 7, this is divisible by 5, so these cannot be the prime numbers. So these three are the prime numbers. So you can write down any of these, 41, 43 or 47, because he asked only one prime number. Sorry. Write 2 over 5 as a decimal. So you need to divide 2 by 5. So just divide 2 by 5. 2 divided by 5, it is 0.4. Now next find the value of cube root of, so cube root, where is cube root? It's here, cube root 2744. So this is 14. So this answer is 14. And 7 power 0, you all know that anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this answer is 1. So these were quick questions. Now we have part F here. Giano invests $6,000 for 5 years at rate of 1.2 per year compound interest. Calculate the value of his investment at the end of 5 years. So value of investment is 1 plus r over 100 power n. N is number of years. Principal amount here, it is 6,000. 1 plus r is 1.2 over 100. Number of years, it's 5. So sorry, this is 6,000. So we can just calculate that one. It is 6,000. In bracket we have 1 plus 1.2 divided by 100 and power is 5. So this is coming to be 6.368. So that is our answer, $6.368. That is the final answer here. Question number 7. You can see this diagram here. So let's see questions one by one. First part, describe fully the single transformation that maps A onto triangle B. So here is B and here is A and here is B. So we are looking from A onto B, how this have been moved to B. So for that we can use the tracing paper. So here is the tracing paper. So I can trace this shape here. So this is A. We are looking for how it is moved. So you can see it is a rotation. It's going that way. So if I rotate it this way 90 degrees, and then we have here this. So we have rotated it twice. So this is a rotation. It's 3 marks question, so we need to have 3 things there. It's rotation along 180 degrees, and at the center is, we rotated from here, it's 0 0, so the center is 0. Now triangle A on to triangle C. So if you see A and C, you can see this have been flipped to other side. So what is this? This is the reflection. So it is reflection along x equals to 0. So this is the line where x is 0, or you can say along y axis, or you can say along y axis, the same thing. Now part 3, A onto triangle D. So A onto triangle D, A is here and D is here. So we can see it have been moved. So let's see how many units is moved. Let's say along x axis. You can see we can take this is the top and this is the top vertex of that. So if you see, this is moved 1 unit left. 1 unit left means 1 unit left. We can write down here it is a translation. It is translation along -1. So x is -1. So let's see how much is y moved. Y is moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is moved 7 units. So it will be vector 1, 7. Right? Now B part, on grid enlarge triangle A by scale factor 0.5, center 4 0. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so to enlarge this shape, its scale factor is 0.5. So 0.5 means this is 5/10, that is half. So we are making this shape half. So if we have 4 units here, we should have 2 units along x-axis for this shape, for the enlarged shape. So for the scale factor, the center is 4 0. 4 0 is this point here. So from here we will draw these lines from the vertices. Here, this top here. So this one, next we have this vertex, it should also join here. Like this here. You need to be very careful drawing these lines. So then we have this one, again it should go to the center like this, right? So now see where we can get here. So you have we have 4 units here. So we are looking for 2 units. 2 units, if you see here, that will match this side here, 1 and 2. So this will be 1. So our triangle will come here at this place. This one here, like this. So this is the enlargement by 0.5. So I hope you understood how to draw this translation. So let's move to next question. Question number 8, part A. You can see we have given here the word Commonwealth. Lyndon picks a letter at random from this word. Explain why the probability that he picks letter M is not 1/10. So how many letters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you can see that total number of letters, there are 12 letters, right? So probability cannot be 1/10 because the total number of letters is 12. So it should be 1/12, 2/12, something like that. So but we have 2 M's here. So there are 2 reasons why this is not 1 over 10, because you say there are 2 m's, or you can say there are 2 m's, or there are 12 total letters. So that's why this probability is not correct. Now part B, tickets for athletics or swimming or hockey or diving are placed in box. So here are this. The ticket is picked at random from the box. So we need to complete this. So as you know that the probability sum of the total probabilities, this plus this should be 1. So that means 0.12 plus, let's say swimming is x, 0.09, 0.4, it should be 1. So x will be 1 minus total of all these. So let's see how much is the total. It's 0.12 plus 0.09 plus 0.4. So this is 0.61, right? So 1 minus, so it is 0.39. So this swimming probability will be 0.39, right? Now part C, in a group of 40 students, 24 students like basketball, 19 like cricket, 10 students like football but not cricket. So complete the Venn diagram. So we need to complete it. So let's do this one by one. So we have 24 students like football. So 24 like football, 19 like cricket. Okay. So 10 students like football but not cricket. So 10 football but not cricket, it will come here. So we are done with this. 19 like cricket, so 19 like cricket here, and 24 likes football. In total 24 students like football. So in the football there should be 24. So 10 plus, so we already have this 10 plus what gives you 24, so it should be 14. So that means there are 14 more students that should come here. Then 19 students like cricket. So 14 is here already in the cricket. So how many more are needed? 5, right? So now the total number of students, there are 40 students. So this is 10 plus 14 plus 5. So this is 9, 29. But we have 40 students. So 40 minus 21. So we 29. So we are left with 11 students. So that means there are 11 students who does not like football or cricket. So 11 will go outside these two circles. So that's how you will complete this diagram. Okay, part D. We are given some sets here. Universal set x is positive integer less than 20. X is an even number, x is an even number, and x is multiple of 3. So let's see what are the questions here. The parts here. Write down the NA is number of elements in set A. So let's count them. So how many are they? In A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have 9 elements in set A. List the elements of set B. So in this B we have here we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So these are the elements in B. Now one of these 19 numbers is picked at random. Work out the probability that the number is not in set A and not in set B. So if number, we are looking for like the number is not in set A and not in set B. So here is set A and B. So these are the numbers which are not in set A and B. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 out of So we need to count that 7 over how many are they in total, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. So total number is 19. So answer will be 7 over 19. Now in A union B we have all these. How many are they? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So they are 12. So it is 12 over 19. So our answer will be 12 over 19. Now complete the statement A intersection B. So we need to see the elements which are in A intersection B. This is A intersection B part. So if you look at these numbers, what kind of numbers are they? You can see these are multiples of 6. So we can write down if these are multiple, x is such that x is multiple of 6. X is a multiple of 6, right? So that's it for this question. So let's move to the next one. Question 9. Simplify this expression which is given to us. So let's see. 4x and 2x. 4x plus 2x, it is 6x. 3 minus 8, that will be 5, negative 5y. So final answer is 6x minus 5y. Right? Now, part B. A pen costs 60 cents and ruler costs 29 cents. Write down an expression for the total cost of x pens and y rulers. Yeah. So one pen costs 60. So x pen will cost 60x, right? The total cost plus. Then one ruler cost y. How many will? 29. So it is 29y. So answer is 60x plus 29y. Now solve this. So we have 5 outside. So we are going to multiply 5 times 2. It is 10x. Plus, then we are going to again 5 times, if there is plus you put plus there, if minus you put minus. 5 times 4, it is 20 equals to 85. So that means we solve means we need value of x. So 10x is equal to 85 minus 20, which is 65, right? So 10x equals 65 over 10 over 10. So this is gone. 65 over 10, it is 6.5. So final answer is 6.5. Now D part 1, work out the value of m. So if you see here, base is same, right? If base is same, so we can add the power. So 2 power 8 plus m is equal to 2 power 6. So that means 8 plus m is equal to 6, because we have these base same, so we can equate the powers. So from here m will be 6 minus 8, that is minus 2. So m will be minus 2, right? Now part 2, 5 power n divided by 5 power 4. So if there is a division, so we are going to subtract the powers, right? So now again our base is same, so we can equate the powers like this. N minus 4 equals to 6. So n will be 6 plus 4, which is 10. So this answer will be 10. So that's it for question number 9. Question 9 part C. A plant costs P dollars and a bush costs B dollars. Anna buys 2 plants and 4 bushes for 42, and Paulo buys 7 plants and 9 bushes for 107. Write down the pair of simultaneous equations and solve them to find out value of P and B. You must show all your working. You can see this question is of 6 marks, so we need to show all our working here. So now first we will write down the equations. So here we have 2 plants, so we have 2P. So we are given P for P and B. P is for plant and bush is B. So 2 plants, that means 2P, and 4 bushes, that is 4B, equals to 42. First equation. Second, Paulo buys like 7 plants, so that means 7P plus 9 B equals to 107. So if you do up to this, you will get some marks because there is the requirement to write down the simultaneous equations. Now we will solve it. So we can use any method. So to make this same, we can multiply this equation by 7, and here we can multiply by 2. So we will get the same equation, right? Same value of P. So for this 7 times 2, it become 14P plus 7 times 4 for 28 equals to 294. Let me just use calculator. 42 times 7, it is 294. Now multiply this. 7 times 2, 14p, plus this is 18p equals to 107 times 2. 107 times 2, it is 214. Now we will subtract the equation, right? When you subtract, so you need to change the signs of the lower equation like this. Then 14p minus 14p is gone. 28 minus 18, it is 10b, and this 294 minus 214, it is 80, right? So now b will be 80 over 10. So b is 8. So value of b is 8. So we can write down here 8. Now if we got b as 8, so we can substitute in any of the equation. I will take this equation, the original equation here, 2p plus 4b equals to 42, right? So 2p plus 4 times 8, it is 42. So 2p is 42 minus 32, which is 10, right? Divide by 2, divide by 2. So p is 5. So our final answer for p is 5, right? So that's how you can do this question and score 6 marks here. Now last question of this paper, number 10. Complete the table of values for x squared minus 4x minus 3. So you see these this is the table given to us. So the first one is we have y equals to x square minus 4x minus 3, and we are given the value is negative 2. So if I calculate this one, we need to put brackets. Negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 minus 3. So this is coming out to be 9. So this is 9. Similarly, when you substitute this one here, so you are getting value 7. Okay, so that's the first part of this to complete the table. Now on the grid, draw this. So we need to draw this. This is the equation. Here we have the values for 2 to 5, negative 2 to 5. So we will take one by one. Now x negative 2 is here, then y is 9 will be somewhere here. So x negative 1 and y2, x negative 1, this is done, x negative 1, y2 is here. So x0, y negative 3, x0, y negative 3 will be here, and then x1 and y negative 6 is this point, 2 and 7, x2 and y7 is here, x3, y negative 6 is this one, x4, y negative 3, x4, y negative 3 is here, and x5, y is 2, x5, y is 2 here. So we have this curve here, so we need to draw a freehand curve here like this. So that's it. This is for the second part. If you do this, you will score 4 marks. Now use your graph to solve x squared minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now if you look here, so this value is equal to y. So that means this is y equals to 0. So where is y 0? Y equals to 0 is this line, x-axis. So we have here the points. One point is here, this one. So the solution like this is the line which is y equals to 0. So we have to see these points. So this point is, if you look at this point, is approximately 0.8. So negative 0.8, and this one is 4 point more than 4.5. So let's say it is 4.6. So that's it for this paper. So we are done with this paper 3 of October November 2020. So I hope you guys understood all questions. Let me know in the comment section if there is anything. So please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and tell me if you need any particular paper to solve. I will try to do that. God bless you guys.